My motto for years has been spend less, create more. And when I'm in my kitchen, there are just certain supplies that I use regularly, and I got tired of shuffling through my junk drawers for basic things like pens, labels for my leftovers, and rubber bands. So I started looking around my house to see what I could make to solve my problem. So I grabbed a cereal box, some adhesive vinyl, some glue, scissors, and some magnets, and here's what I made. I started with this medium-sized cereal box, and then I measured about 4 inches from the bottom and cut the box all the way around. Next, I cut out a piece that measures 4 inches high by 1 inch wider than the depth of the box, and you're going to see what I mean by that in just a moment. Here you can see that this piece I cut out is just about an inch wider than the depth of the box, and I'm just marking where I'm going to score and fold back each side of this piece. And this piece is going to serve as a divider. Starting from about 2 inches from the right, you can trace the edge of a small plate or bowl and then cut it out to create a nice rounded opening. Now you can cover what you have with contact paper or adhesive vinyl. And what I'm using is the Dollar Tree Crafters Square removable vinyl paper. Whenever I have to cover any kind of rounded edges with contact paper or adhesive vinyl, I like to cut strips because it allows me to lay the paper down without a lot of overlap and buckling and bubbling up of the paper. And now it's time to cover the divider. Now I'm going to add some E6000 glue to the folded edges of the divider and then insert it into my Caddy. I tried using Elmer's glue and I also tried using Alina's tacky glue, and none of those actually adhered well to this vinyl. So after inserting the divider, I'm just securing it with these clips until it dries. Now I'm going to cut some strips off of this roll of magnetic tape, and I'm going to glue them to the back of the Caddy using E6000 glue. But before adding the glue to the magnet, I'm going to take this white backing off, And then I'm actually going to peel off the adhesive itself, because over time this adhesive will separate from the magnet. And instead of having that on the magnet and the Caddy, I'm just using the E6000 glue. Since the magnets were rolled up, I'm going to put some heavy objects inside of the Caddy to keep them flat while they dry. And then I can just pop it right onto the refrigerator. And now I can store all of the things that I need to be able to access quickly, like my scissors, my pens, recipe cards, coupons, labels for my leftovers, Scotch tape, and this sticky pad has adhesive on the entire back side, so I can put this on there and be able to jot down things I need to remember, quick grocery lists as I'm headed out the door. And this self-adhesive removable hook from the Dollar Tree works really well to hold my rubber bands. If you like this project, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, and then do yourself a favor and check out my Repurpose Projects playlist for more ideas and projects like this one. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.